Aryansh, start the assembly.
आज यह हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहाँ रोशन होगा दिया, जलाए रखना तेरी है हिफाजत, लहू देकर हमने मान है सदा उस तिरंगे को बसाए रखना। जश्न आजादी मुबारक हो।
Today is 15th of August, the 74th birthday of our beloved motherland, and we all are celebrating this day to remind ourselves of our duties and responsibilities and ancestors' sacrifice. Therefore, I, Siddhagna, warmly welcomes you all to our today's presentation on behalf of the whole LPS family. I highly warm welcomes to all my respected teachers, fellow students, and parents.
Independence Day celebration gives me a feeling of immense joy which is indescribable in words. When I see our tri-colored flag soaring in the wind up high.
My dear friends, we all know about the year 1947 when India got independence. But what happened before that? How did the Britishers enter our nation? Let us find out from our friends in a poetic way.
15 अगस्त का दिन महान, स्वतंत्रता का हुआ विहान। एक 15 अगस्त जय जय, एक मुक्ति पर जय जय, एक कोटि कंठों की बस एक ही लय, हिंसा पर अहिंसा की जय। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
भैया हमें बताओ, क्या है सच्ची बात बताओ। एक साल में 2 बार क्यों तिरंगा ध्वज हम फहराते? 26 जनवरी मनाई तो थी, फिर 15 अगस्त क्यों मनाते?
अरे भाई, दोनों अलग अलग राष्ट्रीय पर्व हैं, दोनों पर ही हमें गर्व है।
पर दूसरा ये क्यों राष्ट्रीय पर्व है पर दो क्यों? एक 26 जनवरी गणतंत्र और स्वतंत्रता दिवस है 15 अगस्त। बोलो हर्ष हर्ष जय जय। एक 15 अगस्त जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद, एक यह स्वतंत्रता पर्व जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। भैया हमें सुनाओ ना आजादी की बात, बताओ ना। हाँ, क्यों नहीं, तो सुन लो, तुम्हें पुरानी बात बताएं। वह सन 1468 था। कुछ पुर्तगाली व्यापारी आए, सोने की चिड़िया था भारत, टच अंग्रेज शिकारी आए। केरल के राजा जमेरन से मात्र व्यापार की आज्ञा पाए। ये विदेशी व्यापारी के आए, शासक बनकर हम पर छाए। अच्छा, अरे यह तो धोखा, उनको हमने क्यों नहीं रोका? मुट्ठी भर व्यापारियों ने यूं पूरे देश को जीता कैसे? भारत तो थी वीरों की धरती, इसके बल को रीता कैसे?
शाबाश, कितनी अच्छी पूछी बात। वीर भले हों कितने ही हम, पर भाई भाई जहाँ झगड़ते वहाँ तीसरे की बन आती, गीदड़ भी आ राज जताते।
व्यापारी का रूप छोड़कर फूट डाल दी यहाँ परस्पर, यो शासक बन वह हम पर छाए, एक दूसरे को लड़वाकर। यह फूट बहुत ही बुरी थी भाई, हमने अपनी स्वतंत्रता गवाई। ये अंग्रेज व्यापारी क्या आए, शासक बनकर हम पर छाए।
भैया यह तो धोखा, उनको हमने क्यों नहीं रोका? भैया फिर क्या हुआ?
यह अंग्रेजी शासक की माया दुनिया भर में छा गई ऐसे, पर भारत तो थी सोन चिड़िया, पिंजरे में बंदी छोड़े कैसे?
बीत गए फिर वर्ष अनेक, धीरे धीरे समझ सकते हम, फूट छोड़कर होना एक, संगठन में शक्ति भारी, ये दास्तां हम देंगे फेंक।
फिर क्या हुआ भैया?
जो होना चाहिए वही हुआ। भारत की जनता गई जाग, धीरे आजादी की सुलगी आग। सन 57 की क्रांति भड़की, गोरी सत्ता सहसा चमकी। झांसी रानी तात्या तोपे, अहमद जफर और भोसले। अंग्रेजी सत्ता थर्राई, छाती पर चढ़ मूंग दले। चले गए अंग्रेज, हमें वापस मिला अपना देश।
So friends, our fellow mate beautifully told us the history of how Britishers arrived in our country and how much did Indians suffer.
With the spark of freedom in everyone's eyes, many freedom fighters came forward and helped us in making our country free. Let's see what our friends have to say.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is considered as the father of our nation after watching India getting ruled by the Englishmen. He joined the freedom fight. He took an active part in several non-violent movements against the Britishers. His famous slogan was, "Do or die."
Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji, he was shaken by the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and fought for the freedom of India by forming Indian National Army. His famous slogans were Jai Hind and Dilli Chalo.
Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was known as the Queen of Jhansi. She was the key member in the revolt of 1857. She inspired thousands of women with her bravery and fearless attitude.
Mangal Pandey. He was the first one to inspire Indian soldiers to rebel against the Britishers in the revolt of 1857. He served as a soldier in the British Army and fired at the British soldiers.
Bhagat Singh. He was a famous revolutionary and a born patriot. He instilled patriotism in the youth of Punjab. He began the Naujawan Bharat Sabha. He was hanged till death by the Britishers. His famous slogan was Inqilab Zindabad.
Chandrasekhar Azad. He was the most challenging and fearless freedom fighters against the British rulers. After having a fierce battle with the British soldiers and killing so many enemies, he shot himself with a pistol.
Friends, these were some of the important freedom fighters that our friend told us. Now our friend tell us about some of the famous slogans that attracted common people to unite and fight for freedom.
Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay gave us the slogan Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak gave us the slogan स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं उसे लेकर रहूंगा.
Lal Bahadur Shastri gave us the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Madan Mohan Malviya gave us the slogan Satyamev Jayate.
राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल gave us the slogan सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है.
Chandrasekhar Azad gave us the slogan दुश्मनों की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, दुश्मनों की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आजाद ही रहे हैं आजाद ही रहेंगे.
So friends, I hope you all enjoyed the presentation by our fellow mates. Let us end it by these lines. I want all of you to recite these along with my friend Aryansh.
History is our witness, and martyrs are the God. History is our witness, and martyrs are the God. We are disciples of the rules. This land is saints' abode. We are disciples of gurus. This land is saints' abode. Compassion is our heritage. In humanity do we trust. Compassion is our heritage. In humanity do we trust. Neither Hindus nor Muslims. Neither Hindus nor Muslims. We all are Indians first. We all are Indians first. Jai Hind! Jai!
Wonderful children. That was a wonderful performance by all our children, and give them a big round of applause. All of you, we can see on the screen, you can turn on your cameras. We can see that you are clapping, and all the assembly children also clap for yourself. So I would like Seema ma'am to say a few words.
I would like to compliment all the children. You were really very, very good. We can see the hard work you've put in. I want to thank everybody and also Tejpreet ma'am for making so much of the efforts to put in an assembly. Children, it was really, really good. And as you know, you will shortly have your test just for half an hour. We'll have a test, give your test very, very carefully. And then we have fun day the whole day. I hope that you are very, very clear with it and it has been conveyed to you. I can see the happy faces. Remain happy, give your test nicely, and then enjoy the whole day. All right, children? So before we close the assembly, I would just like to end it with a special note. Even the smallest of the efforts counts. So keep doing a little every day. And one day, we will have a country independent from all its problems. So children, happy Independence Day to all. And now